All right, guys, we are at a mall I have not been to before. This is the Domain. Oh my God, y'all. The Domain is absolutely beautiful out here in Austin, Texas. And I'm going to be showing you guys Victoria's Secret, the semi-annual sale. They were having a little festival, a food festival today. So that was really nice. They had a lot of food vendors and they even had a live music bands out there. So it was really nice. So I don't know how to get to Victoria's Secret. So the cool thing is they have this lookup where you can look up where you're trying to go. So I press search. I was like, well, how do I get to the V's? How do I get to V's? So y'all seen they have Bath and Body Works up there. So guess what? We're going to be going back there to go to Bath and Body Works. But I looked up Victoria's Secret. And they show you exactly how to walk there, since it is a huge outdoor mall. So I really did get a lot of steps in. It was a lot of fun. So it's showing me how to get there. I'm reading the directions. Girl, can we make our way over there, please? And now I'm finally figuring it out so I can get over to the Victoria's Secret. So here we go. So we're making our way over to Victoria's Secrets. I just wanted to show you guys how this outdoor mall looks first, because I was like in awe of this mall because it is the nicest mall. They have Gucci and all kind of stuff throughout the Domain if you do all the walking. It was a lot of crowds though. And again, there's the vendors with the food, giving you free samples. You didn't have to pay for anything. Like you could have ate your whole meal for free at the vendors. But I'm just trying to get over to that Victoria's Secret, honey. And there she is, Victoria's Secret. And they were doing a deal where the bras even went to $7.99 for the little sports bra. So I did see some triple D bras. I was like, what? $19.99. It was really cute. But as you can see, they were only a 36 triple D. So nothing in the 40s. So I couldn't get any of them, but $19.99 is a great deal for the sports bras. And I really did like this Victoria's Secret because they did have bigger sizes. The perfumes have went down a little bit. The bigger ones are $29.99. The smaller ones are $19.99. Before, they didn't have an option. If you wanted to get a smaller one, you had to get all one size at the Lakeline Mall. But here it is a lot different, and they had more options, I believe, at this one versus the one at Lakeline. And what I also liked about this location, y'all, they had the extra large panties. Normally you have to go online to order Victoria's Secret extra large panties, but this store actually carries extra large in store, and they had some really cute ones for $3.99 still left. So I thought that was amazing. And this was the best thing and why I went in. $3.99 for a lot of the items that were $4.99 when we went to Lakeline last week. So guess what? I brought my receipt in. I got my price adjustment. So if you did buy things last week, or if you bought things when things were $4.99, go back right now and go get your price adjustment. They will give you your money back. I got $4 and some change back. A lot of the items at this store were same to the one at Lakeline, but they had some that were different as far as the items. But yeah, $3.99 versus $4.99. I like the $3.99 price, and I guess the $4.99 was not selling so hard. And as you can see, the $3.99 ain't even selling that hard because there's a lot of it left, and people ain't even going. Now the pedal and all that stuff, the pedals and the little perfumes and all that, the mini ones, they were trying to do it for 50% off. It wasn't selling. They had to actually take that stuff down to 60% off. So I'm thinking that this stuff soon is about to just, everything's going to be 75% off because they're going to be trying to sell it and get it out of the store because it's not selling. As you can see, everything's full. I don't know if they just fully restocked, but you know, everything looks pretty full. Nothing looks touched through or anything at the store. And I didn't get to the store till about 12 something. So I don't know, but it doesn't look like much of it is selling right now. I love the displays with everything lit up, having the products lit up. It is so cute. And these are even $3.99 as well. The cloud washes. So if you really wanted the cloud washes and you didn't want to pay $4.99, they're also $3.99 as well. These were so cute, these little makeup baggies. They were going for half cost. I have a feeling they're going to go 60% to 75% off. I'm hoping all the sales stuff should just be 75% off the gate. And then you'll have people just going in like crazy and buying things. But hey, they can do it their way. And, you know, people will just keep on waiting or doing price adjustments. But again, please, if you paid $4.99, go with your receipt and get your price adjusted and get your little change back, because that money you overpaid, you could have got another item. I didn't see this at Lakeline Mall, which was nice that they had more of the punk line, the punk pedals. And look, this was 50% off last week. The teas and all that is now 60% off. The Seduction, that joint smells so good. So yeah, I may have picked that up. But a lot of these items, again, are 60% off when before they were only 50% off. As you can see, much hasn't changed with the beauty section. It's $3.99, but that lip scrub wasn't there at the other location, and they have a lot more lippies and face products to choose from and lip plumpers. But I thought this was a great deal. These $4.99 makeup bags. Look, how cute are these for only $4.99? And it says just add lipstick, and then on the back it says Victoria's Secrets. Then they have the ones that are sequins. And then I'm going to try to make my way over to Pink. Pink, just to let y'all know, they didn't have too much different from the other Pink, so I didn't include anything from Pink in this one. But Pink is right directly across the street, so I thought that was really nice. So if y'all want to see what I bought, I know you want to know, right? You want to know what I bought? Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. That way you can see my haul of what's in my bag. And I did pick up some things from Pink. So if you want to know what I got from Pink, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. If you love this haul, definitely make sure to thumbs up the video. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.